Discover the best oncology hospitals in India with high success rates, trusted services, advanced facilities, and affordable costs. Get insights on the best hospitals for cancer treatment in India in this comprehensive FAQ video. In recent years, India has emerged as a hub for medical tourism, particularly in the field of oncology. With a plethora of state-of-the-art facilities and highly skilled medical professionals, the country boasts some of the best oncology hospitals in the world. The rise of oncology hospitals in India. India has a rich history of medical advancements, dating back to ancient times. Today, the country is at the forefront of cutting-edge cancer treatments, drawing patients from around the globe seeking high-quality and affordable care. The oncology sector in India has witnessed significant growth, with hospitals continuously investing in state-of-the-art equipment and adopting innovative treatment approaches. Top 10 Oncology Hospitals in India. Apollo Proton Cancer Center, APCC, Chennai has a track record of successful cancer treatments across various specialties. The hospital is equipped with advanced technology and a team of experienced oncologists. Medanta, the Medicity, Gurgaon is recognized for its high success rates and innovative treatment approaches in oncology. The hospital is equipped with cutting-edge technology and a team of experienced oncologists. Tata Memorial Hospital, Mumbai is renowned for its high success rates in cancer treatment, particularly in complex cases. The hospital is equipped with advanced technology and a multidisciplinary team of experts. Fortis Memorial Research Institute, Gurgaon is recognized for its expertise in delivering successful cancer treatments. The institute is equipped with cutting-edge technology and a team of skilled oncologists. HCG Cancer Center, Bangalore has a long-standing history of successful cancer treatments and research. The Cancer Center provides comprehensive cancer care services and a supportive environment for patients. Max Healthcare, Delhi is known for its high success rates in cancer treatment and patient outcomes. The hospital boasts modern facilities and a patient-centric care model. Artemis Hospital, Gurgaon is known for its high success rates and advanced treatment modalities for cancer. The hospital is well equipped with state-of-the-art facilities and a team of dedicated oncologists. Aster Medcity, Kochi is a premier medical institution known for its exceptional outcomes in oncology treatment. Aster Medcity offers cutting-edge facilities and a collaborative approach to cancer treatment. Yashoda Hospitals, Hyderabad has a proven track record of successful cancer treatments and positive patient outcomes. The hospital boasts modern infrastructure and a multidisciplinary team of oncology specialists. Nanavati Max Super Speciality Hospital, Mumbai is known for its expertise in complex cancer cases and successful outcomes. The hospital offers advanced diagnostic and treatment facilities for comprehensive cancer care. Frequently asked questions in the healthcare industry. What are the factors to consider when choosing an oncology hospital in India? Success rates and outcomes, cost and affordability, reputation and trustworthiness, facilities and technology, expertise of medical professionals. What are the common treatment modalities offered by oncology hospitals in India? Surgery, chemotherapy, radiation therapy, immunotherapy, targeted therapy, bone marrow transplant, CAR T-cell therapy and proton therapy. How can patients from abroad access oncology treatment in Indian hospitals? Medical tourism facilitators, international patient services offered by hospitals, online consultations with oncologists, visa assistance and travel arrangements. How WDI Medical Tourism helps in cancer treatment in India. WDI Medical Tourism is a leading medical tourism company that helps international patients seeking medical treatment in India. Was founded in 2010. Please visit www.wellnessdestinationindia.com for more information. Thank you for watching.